Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to compare Astrolux C8 XHP50.2 with Astrolux FT03 XHP50.2. The reason I'm making this video is to give you a guide for you to buy the right flashlight. Both of these flashlights are using XHP50 LED, as you can see. Same LED, XHP50. For this comparison, I will use LG 18650 battery for both flashlights. The maximum brightness for C8 is 3500 lumens and the maximum brightness for FT03 is 4300 lumens. The color tint for both flashlight is 6500 Kelvin, which is cool white. As you can see, it is the same color. Both flashlights are using smooth reflector, as you can see. Smooth reflector. Let us look at the beam. The beam are quite similar, and very hot spot, and also a little spill. Without wasting time, I will compare this flashlight outdoor for a complete review. For this test, I will test both of the flashlight at the highest mode. As you can see, on my right hand side is Astrolux FT03 and on my left hand side is Astrolux C8. Both are using the same LED. Astrolux a bit brighter compared to Astrolux C8. The distance about 150 meters. As you can see, on my left hand side is Astrolux C8 already stepped down. I will try to step up again and compare again. As you can see, FT03 brighter than C8. Okay, hope you enjoy my video. If you like this video, don't forget to share, subscribe and also like my video. Thank you.